Good morning, student. Today I will continue from my previous video. I had given you some extra questions of Neolithic age. From there I will continue. So Neolithic age questions I have discussed. Now today I will be discussing about the Chalcolithic age. Okay. So Chalcolithic age, some questions I have written, extra questions. Time period is 4000 BC to 2000 BC. That is roughly this period also existed for 2000 years. Now question 1. Which period is also known as the age of metals? Which period? It is Chalcolithic period. Chalcolithic period is also known as the age of metals. In the book you will see age of metals. Okay, so Chalcolithic age is also known as the age of metals. Then next question, name three Chalcolithic sites found in India. Three Chalcolithic sites found in India. This answer you will get in India. The Chalcolithic sites have been found in Brahmagiri in Karnataka, Kurnool in Andhra Pradesh, and Navdatoli in Maharashtra. So these are the three Chalcolithic sites that are found in India. And then write a short note on pottery and religious belief of the Chalcolithic period. Okay, write a short notes on pottery and religious belief of the Chalcolithic period. This answer you will get here about pottery. Uh, Painted pottery was a particular feature uh, of Chalcolithic age. The most commonly used utensils were stemmed cup, spouted cases, bowls, dishes, big storage jar, and basin. So this is about pottery. And about religious belief, that the worship of the mother goddesses as the mother of soil gained prominence. Bull was also worshipped. Fire worship was common, as is evident from the discovery of fire altars. So, in this way, all the inside questions I have given to you. And if you find any extra inside questions, then that also you can write in your history copy. Now, after that, hmm, now the question answer which I have prepared from this. I hope all of you have got the PDF file, but then also maybe one or two, if you have not got the PDF file, then I will just read out the answers, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask. Write in brief about the Paleolithic age. Okay, these all questions are from the lesson. Okay, these all questions are from the lessons. Like over here, you can see write write in brief about the Paleolithic age. The same question. So the word Paleolithic means old Stone Age. It extended from 5 lakh BC till 10,000 BC. This period has been divided into the lower Paleolithic, the middle Paleolithic, and the upper Paleolithic. Okay, so this answer you can write this. Then what were the advantages of fire? Second question you can see over here. What were the advantages of fire? So this answer, the advantages of fire were fire was used to provide light in the dark. During cold days, it warmed up the caves. They kept fire burning at the entrance of the caves to frighten away the wild animals, and fire was also used to cook meat as it became softer and tastier to eat. Then next question, uh, why did the early humans wander from place to place? So over here, why did the early humans wander from place to place? The answer is the early humans wandered from place to place in search of food, seasonal fruits, animals, for hunting and water. Again, I repeat, the early humans wandered from place to place in search of food, seasonal fruits, animals, for hunting and water. Then the next question is, what new invention was made in the Neolithic age? What new invention? What new invention was made in the Neolithic age? The new invention made in the Neolithic age was discovery of the will. This invention made the life of Neolithic humans easier. It was used for making pots and utensils, moving heavy loads from one place to another. Okay, I repeat. The new invention made in the Neolithic age was discovery of the will. This invention made the life of Neolithic humans easier. It was used for making pots and utensils, moving heavy loads from one place to another. Okay. Then question 5, the last one. Uh, Write in brief about the Chalcolithic age. So this answer will be, write in brief about the Chalcolithic age. The word Chalcolithic means copper, stone age. This age was characterized by an extensive use of copper and bronze. Due to an extensive use of metals, this age is also known as the age of metals, and this age extended from 4000 BC till 2000 BC. I repeat, the word Chalcolithic means copper stone age. This age was characterized by an extensive use of copper and bronze. Due to an extensive use of metal, this age is also known as the age of metals. This age extended from 4000 BC till 2000 BC. Okay. Now this chapter I have completed. Now the next chapter that I will be taking up. Next chapter that I will be taking up is chapter 13, India, location and its neighboring countries. Okay, this chapter I will be taking up, and this is on page number 95. Okay, so this chapter, in the meantime, you read this chapter, and then when I will go to this chapter, then I will explain you about this chapter. Okay, till then, you take care, stay home, don't go outside, study properly, write all the question answer in your copy. Okay, and do not disturb your parents. Okay, thank you.